Alright, imagine this. It's 8:50 a.m. You're staring at your reflection and your Zoom call is in 10 minutes. You want to look fresh but not overdone. What do? I've got you. Let's go through a super easy 10-minute office makeup routine, claymation style. First up, moisturizer. Never skip it. It's like the save button for your face. Locks in that hydration and helps everything else glide on smoother. Just a quick dab, then let it sink in while you choose your favorite coffee mug. Next, I grab some lightweight foundation or a BB cream. The trick is to use your fingers. Seriously, you don't need fancy brushes for this. Just blend it into your skin for a natural, even look. Claymation me is already looking a little brighter. Now for concealer. Just a tiny bit under the eyes and on any little spots. I tap it out gently. This is my secret weapon for looking way more awake than I actually feel. Brows. Don't skip them. Just a quick brush through with a brow gel. Mine matches my hair color, but clear works too. I always say, brows frame your whole expression. Even in claymation, they matter. Eyeshadow time, but keep it basic. I use a soft brown shade and sweep it over my lids using my pinky finger. It's fast, it's easy, and it adds just enough definition without looking heavy. Mascara next. If you only have time for one eye thing, let it be mascara. I wiggle the wand at the roots and sweep up. Instant, I totally slept 8 hours energy. For cheeks, I use a cream blush. Here's the fun part. Dab it on your cheeks and whatever's left, tap it onto your lips. Double duty, double speed. The finishing touch, a swipe of tinted lip balm. It's hydrating and gives a bit of color without any fuss. I always keep one in my desk drawer just in case. Here's the thing. This isn't about perfection. It's just about feeling a little more put together as you head into your workday, whether that's in an office or at your kitchen table. And in claymation or real life, a little goes a long way. So next time you're short on time and want that quick office glam, remember? Moisturizer, base, brows, eyes, cheeks, and lips. 10 minutes tops. Now go crush that meeting, and if you spill coffee on your shirt, hey, at least your face is on point. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want more quick tips, claymation or not, don't forget to hit subscribe. See you next time.